Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today we look at the top 5 best V8 engine sounding cars that in car parking multiplayer 1. Before we continue, please subscribe, like, and share. For more videos like these. So, at number 5 spot we have the Chevrolet Impala. Coming at number 4 is the BMW M5 F90. On number 3 we have the Dodge Challenger 1969 model. On the second spot, we have the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 2018. Okay guys, so the best V8 engine sounding car in car parking multiplayer 1 is the Dodge Charger. Well, guys, you can also even feel it when you are using the inside camera. Yeah, guys, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So please subscribe, like, and share to see more videos like these from us. And don't forget to follow, like, and share on Elio Teltas on TikTok for more videos.